Hey guys, today we're continuing to build a humanoid robot. I will show you how to get started with the Raspberry Pi 5 and how to install the Raspberry OS on a microSD card. I will be using this 64GB microSD card. To write data to the microSD from a computer, you need a card reader. My card reader only supports SD cards, so I'll be using this adapter. Once we see our microSD in system, we need to download the Raspberry Pi imager. After installing the Raspberry OS onto the microSD card, we wouldn't need a monitor because we will connect to the Raspberry Pi 5 via SSH and enable VNC. So let's begin. You'll need to download and install the Raspberry Pi imager. I wouldn't be installing it because I already have it installed. Let's choose the device. Now let's select the operating system we want to install and choose where to write the image. Now an important step. We need to enable SSH. Create user. Enter your Wi-Fi password. It's very important to activate SSH, otherwise it wouldn't be accessible. You can configure the rest however you like. Apply the settings. Now we wait for the writing process to complete. All done. The operating system is now written to our microSD card and ready for use in the Raspberry Pi 5. Insert the microSD into the Raspberry Pi 5. Now we can connect to it via SSH. Enter the SSH command, the username, and the local IP address of your Raspberry Pi 5. Then enter the password. Now we need super user privileges. Run an upgrade. And update. Type raspi config. Now we can enable VNC. It comes pre-installed. Choose the third option, Interface Options. VNC allows us to control Raspberry Pi 5 desktop remotely. That's it. Now we can control the Raspberry Pi 5 desktop remotely. Now we need to download the real VNC client. Click Download. Accept and install. Select Use only for direct or offline use. Use real VNC without signing in. Now enter the local IP address of the machine you want to control. Click Continue. Just enter the username and password. That's it, we're connected. Let's do a quick test. I don't know. Let's create a folder. Now let's delete it. And empty the waste basket. In the next video we will control a servo motor. If you're interested, make sure to subscribe and leave likes. See you soon.